Hello, Nonna Maria here. I'm making today my Sicilian stuffed artichokes. Not in sauce because we always, in Palermo, we also put it in sauce, but regular, but still with, with an egg cup on top. Here we have pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, breadcrumbs, toasted pine nuts, raisins, parsley, salt, and little pepper. You soak first the artichokes, not to get black, in water with lemon. Okay, and now we start drying them. I forgot to say earlier that in the mix, I also had some olive oil to make it sandy and not that dry. Okay? I also peeled the stem. And now we stuff. We open the artichoke like this by smashing them down and open because I like breadcrumbs everywhere. The mix. It's delicious and I love it everywhere in every leaves. I seen it recently that they say, I don't know what town, not where I come from, but they stuff it with chopped meat, like they make meatballs. I don't like raw meat, like I said before, any place. So, I don't know. They say this is the way it is. Only two people. I never seen it before in my life, my family, or anybody that I know. Like I say, this is my method, my family, and everyone I know in Sicily. It could be any other's way. Okay, first, as you can see, there is some oil. I use all the ingredients to put in there. Now it's time for the egg. Okay, which there is pecorino romano, parmigiano reggiano, a little salt, and a little pepper. Okay, we start putting it a little bit at a time for all the surface. The oil is cold. It's caldo in Italian. The oil is hot. And now we put it upside down. Now look how beautiful they come out. See? Everything's sealed inside. I cleaned the pot. Show you. See? Nice and clean. Now I place the artichokes inside. Just trust the process. Little water that covers almost halfway the artichokes. It was not enough. Still not enough. Okay, now enough water. I still put a little lemon and the stems. Now I close, lower the flame, and here we go until they're cooked, until they fork tender or the leaves they come out 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is gonna be my dinner tonight. I was gonna make, what did I say, country fried steak, but today is Friday and I'm not. Okay, ciao.